Hey guys, before we talk about my trip to Maui, I'm going to show you two exercises.
The RDL to overhead press with a barbell, weighted bar, and burpees are three powerhouse exercises that should be staples in any workout routine. The RDL to overhead press builds full body strength, improving posterior chain activation, core stability, and overhead pressing power. Using a weighted bar enhances muscle endurance and control. Burpees are high intensity movements, boost the cardiovascular fitness, agility, and overall conditioning. Together, these exercises develop strength, power, and endurance, making them essential for a well-rounded fitness program.
I won't ignore when I'm sinking. Can't let go even when I'm wandering. I won't give up on my journey. It won't forget any promise.
Hey guys, welcome to Atita Fitness. So today I'm going to talk about my trip to Maui in Hawaii. It was amazing. I enjoyed the experience of being in Maui. It is a beautiful destination, a dream destination for many. So before we start talking about the trip, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to Atita Fitness. Join the family. You guys are welcome. Thank you so much for 5,000 plus subscribers. I really appreciate. If you are planning a trip, either to your friends or family in 2025, and maybe you're going to Maui or anywhere else in the world, your dream destination, please go ahead and listen to this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to touch all the things that I experienced, and maybe you can find some relatable experiences that you're going to pick one or two. So if you're going to Maui, the first thing you should do is do some research about the weather. Sometimes you can go online using your Google map and try to put the location where you are going so that you can see the weather, so that you can pack your clothes very well. Make sure you pack breathable clothes. When I say breathable, clothes that you will be able to wear on the warm weather condition. And also try to take some sandals instead of taking a lot of shoes, because you are going to wear your sandals the whole time while you are in Maui. So you can take 2 pairs of sandals. If you are going to take a pair of shoes because maybe you might want to go to the gym or to church, take 1 pair of shoes. Very important. For guys, instead of taking a lot of pairs of pants, try to take shorts. And you don't have to take a lot of clothes, because you are going to go to the beach almost every day. And if you are going for dinner and let's say go to the gym, try to carry at least a pair or 2 clothes of the same kind. For women, try to pack some bikinis, because maybe throughout the day you are going to wear your bikini, because Maui is hot. The temperature was between 75 to 80 in between, so they have humidity on the hair. You are going to walk outside. Maybe a lot of people, I would say 70% of the people that I was seeing there, they didn't even wear shirts. It was the first place where I was walking confidently without a shirt. Number 2, cars can be very expensive, especially in Maui. They don't have a lot of public transportation, so you might end up renting a car so that you can drive around, and it will be easier for you to move around. Otherwise, you will be forced to use Uber taxi, which is expensive. It will be cheaper for you to rent a car if you have a family or you go to Maui with friends, so that it will be easier for you guys to move around. If you have an international driver license, you will be able to drive in Maui. Number 3, renting a place where you are going to stay. Try to go for Airbnb if you are going with your friends, so that you guys can cook your food, and it will be easier for you to share things around. But if you have a small budget, you can go for affordable hotels, which they have a lot of them. So try to do your research online before maybe you can find a place where you are going to stay. Otherwise, places of staying can be very expensive, from actually $250 per night to $3,000 a night. So you can imagine that gap. Number 4, before you leave for your trip, try to get some cash. Some of the locals who sell food and some other things, they don't take card payment. So you will end up paying with cash. That's if you will be interested to buy food on the street, and also to buy some gifts, something like this to support the locals. Yeah, and buy like a gift for your family, for your loved ones. Yeah, you'll have to have some cash to pay with. Number 5, because the temperature it's hot in Maui, try to take sunscreen, very important. And they recommend that you take reef-friendly sunscreen. So if you want more information about the sunscreen, go on the website or go on Google. Try to get more information before you buy any kind of sunscreen. Number 6, once you get to Maui, if you want to do the bulky shopping, go to Costco. It's the best option to find all kind of things, groceries that you may want if you are going to cook. But if you are going to the hotel, then maybe most of your meals will be prepared for you. Number 7, if you are going to do body surfing or just surfing on the water or snorkeling, try to go to the areas where they have a lifeguard, someone who will be able to help you just in case of anything. The Maui water sometimes can be dangerous. You know, the ocean currents can be dangerous sometimes. So just in case of any emergency, you have a lifeguard who is going to help you out. Number 9, avoid touching wild animals, especially the tortoise. For those ones who are going to do body surfing or snorkeling, avoid completely. The last one, guys, I have 2 events that I can recommend everyone who is going to Maui to attend. The first one is whale watching. Watching whales on the ocean, it's something which is big in Maui. Try to go on the season of whales because you are going to have so much fun. And the next event is watching the hula. Hula is the traditional dance and chanting which demonstrates the culture of Hawaiian people. So try to attend those events. Again, if you're new here watching this video for the first time, thank you so much for being here. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube video. The next video that's coming, it's gonna talk about the things that you can do for free while you are in Maui. If you watched this video all the way to the end, thank you so much. Go ahead and subscribe to Atita Fitness. Be part of the family. I have another amazing topic that's coming next. So thank you guys for your support. Bye.